All right, so you got yourself a punching bag, but you don't have anything to fill it up. So I ended up buying these, and they're 10 pounds, but it doesn't feel like 10 pounds. It doesn't feel like more like a 5-pound, but we're gonna expand them because right now they're all shrunk in there, and looks like there's some dirt in there or something. So this is gonna be outdoors anyway, so we're gonna do the punching bag, set it up. So let's inflate these. I want to try to see if I could do it inside so everything could expand in there instead of out here. I don't want to make a mess. The memory foam is expanding. Let me show you guys inside. This is a memory foam. I threw it in here and now it's becoming a lot larger and it's heavier, so let it expand. All right, here it is, guys, entirety, but it's gonna take 24 hours for it to fluff off. All right, so right now it's getting there, but you got to keep working it different angles so it could get a little bit more fluffed. Right now you could add another 20 more pounds. You could still fit another 10 pounds on the top and squeeze the other ones. So I recommend you maybe 20 to 40 pounds on this one. It's good enough because it came with 10, so maybe another 10 to make it 20. So you can still fit some more. In fact, I'm gonna order some more, but for now it's fluffing up. It's strong. It is heavy. It is heavy. So especially on this part right here where everything syncs up, give it 24 hours and it should be good for your workouts.